Former Mayor, what is your favorite dish?
Bulad.
Number 1, what's your favorite book in the Bible?
Ecclesiastes.
Okay, number 2, what is your favorite color?
Red.
Number 3, what is the type of movie you enjoy watching?
War movies.
Number 4,
Lot of killings.
4, who is your favorite Hollywood movie actor and movie actress?
I do not go for
Number 5.
Meryl Streep. She fits in any kind of role.
Okay.
She's good at it.
Number 5, what is your favorite book?
Atlas Shrugged. And Rand.
Number 6, do you keep a pet dog or other animal at home?
No, but not home, but in the farm. I have about 5 native horses, 5 Carabao sold to me, which I cannot,
Okay.
Maawa ako, I could not refuse it.
Former Mayor, what is your favorite dish?
Bulad.
Okay. Number 8, why do you prefer to wear denim pants or maong than slacks?
I'll tell you now. Even in Congress, even in Malacanang, I was not allowed once during the time of. Narinig ko pa doon sa one who escorted me from the gate. Sabi niya, anong ginagawa ng kumang yung nakamaong? But I was in Barong. I have this allergy. I cannot wear yung tawag nito, yung mga nylons. I get itchy all over. Kaya ako sige kamot. I'm only good for cottons. Cotton. Wala man akong iba. It's either white, ang cottons dito available, it's either white, the khaki, or the maong. Hanggang dyan lang talaga. Even in Congress, even in church, maong lang talaga. Totoo talaga, gusto ko lang talaga magmaong.
Mayor, number 9, do you find time to go to the gym to keep fit?
I do not before, but I have ano lang yung treadmill plus weights.
Okay.
To keep the muscle from flagging.
And the last, yes, Mayor, thank you. The last here, when was the last time you went riding the big bike with Pastor?
For the longest time, the last we took a trip to Cagayan de Oro, about 2 years ago.
Let's go again.
Yes, I'd be glad to. But this time, the roads are the averages of accidents very high. You know why? A lot of motorcycles around. They come in cheap. Anybody can buy it, and some of them are being operated, driven by people who have no licenses or lalo na sa bukid rural areas, but they're not registered. So have to be very careful about it. But I enjoy it. Keeps you young. We were starting to. Barto was already learning how to touch and go so flying, but hininto niya, would have wanted to go back to flying. I used to fly when I was young.
You told me to wait for you.
I was having my. You have to, when you are out of flying for about so many years, you have to go back to the basics again. You have to attend lectures. Just like any other, you have to go to school, but on shorter hours. You have to learn back again. And I attended 2 lectures, but I could, for the life of me, I really do not have the time to listen and sit down. Busy. So but bikes, every now and then, humihirit ako sa gabi. I go out of the house alone. Nag-helmet na. Nobody would really know me. Kasi nag-helmet ako, then I take a spin around the city, downtown area, about an hour, then I go home. But bike is a very exhilarating sport. The last time was Cagayan de Oro.